This Mexican cinnamon chips is a crispy sweet snack that is perfect to munch on during movie nights. Learn how to make it with this quick and easy guide brought to you by recipes.net. In a medium-sized bowl, add the ground cinnamon and granulated sugar. Stir to combine, then set aside. Next, slice the flour tortillas into 6 triangle shapes each. Set the pan with vegetable oil over high heat. Place the sliced tortillas and cook until slightly golden. Drain onto a strainer lined with paper towels, then sprinkle with the cinnamon sugar mixture. Serve with honey and enjoy! Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell to catch more easy and tasty dishes to try at home.